Question 9. In a class, 8 children had pet cats. 7 more than this had dogs. How many children had pet dogs? In this question, we are comparing the quantity of children that had pet cats with the quantity of children that had pet dogs. The first thing I need to do is find out which one is the larger quantity. I'm going to look for the words more or fewer. Here it is, more. 7 more than this had dogs. So the larger quantity is the number of children who had dogs, and the smaller quantity in this bar would be the number of children that had cats, along with the difference. In a class, 8 children had pet cats. So the one thing that I know straight away is the cats, and that quantity is 8. So I'll make that 8 centimetres to make it easy. Seven more than this had dogs. 7 more is the difference here. And I'll check. Yes, that's 7. How many is the unknown? Children had pet dogs. So the question is asking us to find the number of children that had pet dogs. That is the unknown. I'm going to use this plan because I know the smaller quantity of cats and I know the difference, but the unknown is the larger quantity of dogs. 8 cats add a difference of 7 will give me the larger quantity of dogs. 8 add 7 is 15. There are 15 dogs. I can check my 15 by putting it in my top bar. 8 add 7 does make 15. So I've got my maths correct. The last thing I'm going to check is the question. How many children had pet dogs? 15 children had pet dogs.